How to use a new pot. Add water to the pot for about 8 minutes and add 1/5 of the water. Boil on low heat to prevent boil over. Stop cooking when it is cooked and leave it for several hours. Remove and wash. After washing, dry firmly with the bottom likely to contain water on top. Especially outside, do not leave moisture in the bottom of the pot. If cooking is bad or there is a water leak, cook rice porridge repeatedly, please. There may be fine cracks on the surface, but this is a crack that goes into the glazed part of the surface's penetration. This crack may exude water, but there is no problem in use. It is safe to eat cooked rice porridge.